View from Corsley Cricket Ground. Wiltshire into Somerset, I believe. Somerset down there. Corsley Cricket Ground. Wet Sunday afternoon. I think the covers are going to come off. Going to try to get underway just as it starts to rain again, I reckon. It's going to be one of those days. We'll be back underway in a minute. Players are coming back out after the rain break. Had tea. Bowler marking up his run up. Covers gone. Moves over there. Not sure if we get through the game. We shall find out. Don't know what the weather forecast is. It was showers all afternoon. It's been longer than a shower. It's Nomads going out to field. Going to be defending 158 to win. Mark comes into shot with Aaron's hat. Keep the sun out of his eyes. Come the batters for Corsley. Of course, you can watch it all on AB Sports 1. No run. Anyway, tell me what sort of tractor this is. Mark again. Mark again. Tractor's doing a journey.
Commentary going, you should have done that! What was that? There was a comedy show. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that? Don't ask me, I'm so surprised.
Drinks here at Corsley. I think we can say this game's done and dusted. There's 13 overs left. Chasing 162. On 23 for 5. Might even be 6 now. I think it's 6 now. With that run out. But you can watch it all on, you know where. AB Sports 1. Batter coming back out, followed by the players of Nomads. Mickey Harris through wickets. Mark at the back there with all his dots. Chinook chipped in with a wicket. Dyron's got a wicket. And there's the CEO of AB Sports. Corsley cricket ground. John driving away to the win. Big win. Board 162. They got 26, I think. Not careful, we'll fall into Somerset. Sure.
It's hard like country.
It does. Here we are. That's where we're going. CEO.
I can park on the road here.